The best logo makers are essential for creating a memorable, eye-catching logo for your business or brand. Bandcrowd is a comprehensive design software that allows users to easily create logos, animations, and graphic designs for a variety of purposes, including social media, print, and web. It offers you an easy-to-use logo maker that you can make the most out of even without having a background in design. Bandcrowd's logo library is one of the largest collections available online. Each logo is produced and curated by skilled designers all over the world. With Bandcrowd, you can change components like font, color, and layout to instantly represent your brand through design. You can also generate a beautiful logo in a minute without having any design skills. Bandcrowd is like a marketplace for logo templates or a huge library where you can find what you need for your business. Bandcrowd outshines other typical logo design companies. It turns the entire concept of professional logo designing on its head by offering a crowdsourced marketplace that services both logo designers and logo seekers in the same place. Partnering creative professionals with ambitious businesses, Bandcrowd creates a competitive arena that lets you sell your logos or find the design of your dreams, both for a fair price. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Bandcrowd review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Bandcrowd. What does Bandcrowd really do? Bandcrowd Logo Maker is a revolutionary design software that allows businesses to generate brand logos within minutes by providing a professionally designed logo library and a marketplace that is curated by professional designers around the world. With Bandcrowd, you can also create business cards, brand logos, marketing banners, and covers using Bandcrowd's suite of image editing tools. With a starter plan that includes unlimited design downloads and access to extensive and customizable templates, as well as a paid option that offers more advanced features such as Sticker Maker, AI Logo Maker, Team Account, and much more. Bandcrowd allows you to remove the background from an image and add text, photos, audio, backgrounds, and other branding components to the content. Designers can upload their designs to the platform, set their own prices, and earn money when their designs are purchased by clients or other users. They can also create and sell their logo designs as well as other graphic design assets such as business card designs, social media kits, and more. Bandcrowd leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to streamline the logo design, branding process, business creation, management, and growth, particularly for entrepreneurs, startups, and businesses of all sizes. It provides businesses with affordable logo and digital design solutions. Beyond logo designs, Bandcrowd also provides templates and ready-made designs for business cards, Facebook page covers, YouTube banners, Zoom backgrounds, email signatures, menus, and a lot more. Benefits and key features of Bandcrowd. Some of the benefits and unique features of Bandcrowd includes 1. AI-powered logo maker. Bandcrowd leverages AI technology to swiftly generate distinct and professional logos tailored to your business needs within minutes, eliminating the need for manual design work. 2. User-friendly personalization. Bandcrowd offers user-friendly customization tools, allowing users to modify colors, fonts, and layouts to create a logo that aligns with their unique brand identity. 3. Business card designer. Bandcrowd's business card designer ensures that you have the ability to make a clear, clean first impression. Bandcrowd also provides you with a variety of templates that you can customize to build your cards. 4. Extensive designer community. Bandcrowd has a pool of highly talented designers who work with users to bring their design ideas to life. Users can collaborate with designers one-to-one, enhancing the quality and creativity of the final design. 5. Social media and brand guidelines. Bandcrowd connects smoothly with prominent social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. This allows you to effortlessly publish your material across many media, hence increasing visibility and outreach. 6. Brand kit and styles features. With Bandcrowd, you can create a consistent brand identity by storing your logo, colors, fonts, and other kits in one place. This makes it easy to apply your brand elements across all of your designs, maintaining a cohesive look and feel. Bandcrowd's pricing and plans. Bandcrowd offers transparent and affordable pricing tiers that are adaptable to the needs of individual customers. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and print-ready logo renders on all plans. Pros: users can easily design logos for business cards, letterheads, flyers, thank you cards, and more within minutes. Large selection of high-quality logo templates and icons. High-quality free options that include SVG downloads. Recommends colors and gradients that match your design. Powered designs, built-in customization, and social media management tools for building brands and establishing online presence. Bandcrowd's blog offers tips and advice on logo trends, colors, social media designs, and more. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: users must enter their email address to start editing their logos. Conclusion: Bandcrowd is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a high-quality, easily customizable logo design. The website is comprehensive and includes additional features such as social media design templates, letterheads, invoicing, menus, invites, gift cards, and more. All Bandcrowd design templates have their own pricing, and users have the option to print their designs. Rather than hiring a designer, Bandcrowd offers logos and other elements for affordable pricing. Bandcrowd discovers designs for different industries, from fashion logos to tech logos. It covers a wide range of niches and allows you to customize it according to your needs. The Logo Maker has an easy-to-use interface that lets you perfect the design and reinforce your identity. You can change elements such as font, color, and layout to symbolize your brand through design instantly. Bandcrowd goes beyond logos. It has more designs for different marketing campaigns in its premium logo pack. This enables brands to whip up business cards, flyers, t-shirt designs, and other assets in minutes. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Bandcrowd. If you enjoyed this Bandcrowd review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.